Hello guys, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a simple spam bot. This code is very simple, but if you still don't want to write it down, then you can click the link in the description and just copy all the code. So first of all, in this video I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code because I like it, and on the first time I'm gonna import PyAutoGui. And to make sure that you've installed PyAutoGui, go into your terminal or command line like cmd and type in pip or pips reinstall depending on your installation PyAutoGui. And then it's gonna say requirement already satisfied. Then it means that I've already installed it. And to find out if your installation is pip or pips3, just type in pips3, and if there are lots of stuff, then it means that you're installed by pips3. And I don't know why I also have pip on my computer, but my Python uses pips3. Well, yeah. Okay, so now over here, just gonna import time, and then thing, the thing that you want to spam. Wait is enter time. Wait, let me change it. And then while true, PyAutoGui dot write this thing, and it's gonna press enter, and then it's gonna wait. Super simple. Okay, so let's try it out in our Discord. But this also works on other stuff. Okay, so when we run it, it's gonna say enter the thing. I'm gonna spam lol, and I think I'm gonna wait 1 second. And look, lol, lol, lol. But the message isn't appearing because my Wi-Fi is kind of bad. And yeah, and as you can see, there's an enter the chill zone error thing that makes us stop sending messages. So let's try to fix it. Well, what's happening with my Wi-Fi? Well, never mind, you still got it, just a Wi-Fi problem. Okay, so first of all, we have to get the coordinates of the enter the chill zone button. So I'm just gonna spam again. Wait, yeah, enter the chill zone button. So I'm gonna open a file. And all you gotta do is to maybe do another file while true PyAutoGui.display mouse position. Super simple. Now when you run it, it's just gonna show the mouse position. So this mouse position is 1004 and 529. Okay, we got the coordinates. Oh yeah, sorry about my voice. I don't know why every time I record YouTube videos, my throat just a little bit cranky. Never mind. Okay, so over here we're gonna do PyAutoGui dot click the X of Y position. X is going to be X position and Y is going to be this position. But after we click over here, we're gonna want it to click backward over here. So now I have to get the coordinates again. This coordinates. So it's 979806. Okay, so after it clicks over there, we're gonna want to click back. Okay, now let's try it again. And as you can see, there's a little Wi-Fi problem, but it's okay. We could just... Oh, I accidentally entered something that is like not a number. Yeah, as you can see, the mouse is quickly going up and quickly going down. Super useful. Yeah. But like as you can see, sometimes it has a little problem, so all we gotta do is to like oh my god, yeah, this is the annoying part. Sometimes you just have to yeah, but it's totally worth it. So maybe we're gonna want to like press enter 2 times. Oh yeah, and the thing is that like sometimes the coordinates might change, so make sure that you're like gonna also check the coordinates on your computer to make it work. And like since the keyboard model doesn't work on my computer, like on a Mac, like I could have made like if I press Q it's gonna stop. Well, but it's still okay. And yeah.